Chapter 29. His Heart. Irava and Master Aldrich, in the end, was nowhere to be seen. "I can't leave court," I say. "Not now. If he gets angry enough to throw me out, to cancel the marriage." And it dawns on me, it finally dawns on me, that my coming here like this, infiltrating his court, getting close to Toravan, it could also be seen as my being a Galendin spy. It could be seen as an act of ill faith by my mother at best, or at worst, an act of war. I shiver harder and pull the coat tighter. I am a fool. I am a God's cursed fool. And I might have ruined everything. "Yeah," Valterre says. "Yes." He glares at me. "Gods damn it all, Caleb. Both of you will be the death of me. But I want him safe. You keep him safe. And you safe. Get inside and get into dry clothes. Gods, what a mess. I'm giving you a week. Tell him within a week. Let him cool down. But then tell him, or I will." He hesitates. "He is letting you stay?" "Yes," I say. And a look passes over his face, grim and knowing. I look away and swallow hard, because Toravan could have called his guards on me. He could have banished me from the palace. He could have imprisoned me. He could have done anything. But he'd told me to stay. I wipe the rain from my face, and maybe more wetness around my eyes that isn't rain. Valterre wrings out the end of a dreadlock and starts working on another. Gods damn the rain. 1 week, Caleb. I glare at him with all the heat I can muster. I heard you the first time. His smile isn't kind, and I turn, striding away from him, in the direction of the palace, still wrapped in his coat. He hasn't asked for it back, so I'm not giving it, petty as I know that is. He's given me a week? Then I have a week to find out who killed Toravan's father, the king, and who might have just tried to kill Toravan, or at very least, rattle his court and undercut his power. This doesn't feel like Nikolai's foolishness alone. It wasn't an accident, and it wasn't benign in any way. My breaths huff in time to my squelching boots. 1 week before I tell Toravan, and he shuts me out of his heart completely. Am I meant to marry this man, or to break him?